Introducing the CANplus CP750-E, an enhanced digital engine control panel that provides complete control, monitoring, and protection for electronically and mechanically governed engines, pumps, and electric motor-driven equipment. Designed for autostart or manual operations, the CP750-E is Tier 4 final and Euro Stage 5 compliant. It includes a sunlight-viewable color display, and the intuitive event manager can fully control engines based on numerous configurable criteria. It also supports multi-pump control for up to 6 pumps through a single panel. Features of the CP750-E include 9 inputs and 6 outputs, CANbus J1939, and Modbus RS4 85 messages, integrated LTE cellular communications, a configurable 7-stage auto throttle profile, and a host USB port for easy configuration changes. The panel provides QR code diagnostics via a smartphone or tablet. The Remote IQ cloud-based platform allows operators to remotely monitor and control engines from anywhere and review performance through dashboards. Machine learning capabilities detect patterns and analyze data by learning normal engine operations and can monitor for issues like cavitation detection before they occur. The CP750-E includes advanced throttling and control capabilities, including controlled off, auto manual mode toggle, momentary rabbit turtle keys, auto ramp, auto start, and auto throttle maintain point. Panel options include AL-UFlex or NEMA enclosures and can integrate an emergency stop, Oxio, Modbus, or a combination of the three. Additional CANplus software suite tools include the Trace Analyzer, Engine Simulator, and Configuration Wizard. For more information or to arrange a demonstration, visit Cattron.com.